Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the old Dutch alcoholic drink Boerenjongens. This is how we say Boerenjongens. Boerenjongens. As you can hear, I do not pronounce every single N in there, and that is totally fine. There is a slight emphasis on the third syllable. Boerenjongens. 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 Boerenjongens consists of golden and dark raisins soaked in a sugary syrup and brandy. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!